Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing, checking out, and putting through the paces a couple of awesome looking RC construction vehicles from Aliexpress. We're going to have a code below in both the comments and the description for you to go ahead and pick out your own RC situations on Aliexpress for yourself. Shipping, by the way, no problem. In unboxing, we use the Finch Stinger, a yellow knife for some yellow diggers. Link down below to get your own. All right, folks, for our dump truck, let's go ahead and take a look around the packaging, shall we? So it's a 9-channel RC, 2.4 gigahertz. There's a look at the included remote and the functions on that included remote. So right here we have a multi-directional remote control, a rise function, a drop function, so we should be able to raise and lower the bed, a one-click demo, sound function, and a front headlight. Here is the dump truck out of the box. We have the instruction manual. Looks like we have a charging cord and a screwdriver. So look at that connection. Dump truck itself encased in a nice plastic shell. And there is the remote control. Dump truck itself. Look at that puppy. Oh, we've got like a little person in there. What's up, person? And the other side. So next up here before you, we have our excavator. 11 channel, 2.4 gigahertz. All right, the excavator has 680 degree rotation, a digging function, a uninstall function, sound function, front headlight, and a one-click demo. Additionally, here are the controls and functions of the included remote. Out of the box, here we go. We have the instruction manual for the excavator. Excavator itself in a nice clamshell packaging with remote included. Sounds like a review plane. Let's take a look. Out of that clamshell packaging, and this excavator is popping. It looks pretty nice. It's like lots of detail on it that we'll try to highlight and go over. Look at that light on the front. Pretty cool. Bucket seems pretty solid as well. And again, we've got a little compatriot in there. What's up? Even kind of open up that hatch there to get access to the engine. Yeah, maybe let it cool down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Got our multi-function remote, nice and bubble wrapped here. There's that controller out of the packaging. Look at that. Controller just takes 2 AA's. AA situations. People laid out before you. We have a course that's been assembled to test out the efficiency, strength, productivity, and more of these construction vehicles from Aliexpress. We've got a couple different hands to operate them. We're going to put them to work. We've got a couple different mounds over there to the left. Varying sizes. For here we have a small little mound of small rocks. See if they can do those. Gentlemen, start your engines. I'm going to go do a little work today. Be able to see how this excavator really articulates there. Look at that. I'm a pretty quick worker that, I tell you what. Gotta be careful banging into that bed of that dump truck there, operator. We don't want to mess that thing up. No, it's all right, just messing around. Gotta back up that dump truck a little bit. Oh, There we go. And they're already back over here at the site, ready to load up for some more. Look at that, they got that dump truck backing right in for the excavator. And again, lights on these, pretty cool. Lights, realistic sound. We got the back hatch opened up there on the excavator. Let's go ahead and try some small stones over that way. Alright, we're going to see if we can conquer some of these small stones here. Bringing in the excavator. All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and do a little off-roading here with our dump truck. Let's take her into the grass, see how she performs, shall we? That's right. It's the little truck that could. Tell you, this would probably be perfect for picking up some walnuts in the yard, eh? All right. Let's hit a little bit of some dirt and some rock here that we dumped. Yeah, the smaller rocks, it doesn't really have too much of a problem with. Obviously dirt, no problem. And grass, as long as it's not too tall, no problem at all. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and show you the excavator. No problem. I bet we could even reverse back over them. Let's find out together, shall we? Oh yes. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.